The letter dated 24 March 2025 and addressed to Ecobank Zimbabwe shows Guvamatanga acting on behalf of the Ministry of Finance to guarantee loan repayments for Valley Seeds Private Limited, a shadow private company. The ministry commits to pay $5 million per month over 12 months, totaling to 60 million, 3 times the actual loan amount. Sanapinda mashoko onkunzi aiwa these guys panguva ine were authorizer aiwa themselves this loan repayment iri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa panapa vari kuuya vachikwidza aiwa mari 3 times pane the actual loan amount uri wasubscribe like on the bell like timbira pamashoko anobuda toko panapa nemacritics topinda panapa pahendo yamawarire anobuda achikomenda pane this issue anyora achiti this is sticking corruption. The substance of this transaction is that Valley Seeds is borrowing 20 million from Ecobank with the Ministry of Finance as a guarantor. All government loans and guarantees should be subject to the Public Debt Management Act, and the Parliament should be informed at all times. It is strange for the ministry to guarantee private entities outside of the set framework per Public Debt Management Act. Strangely, the ministry will pay 5 million per month over the duration of the loan 12 months when the assessed loan is 20 million. Does it therefore imply that Ecobank is making a profit of 40 million from a structure share? They outlaid $20 million. Macritics and Rambezvekara, what is the interest of the ministry in immunizing the deal from any future policy changes? Of what strategic importance is Valley Seeds? Why would the ministry appoint Guvamatanga, a person deriving authority from a government position, to be the principal executor in the private transaction? If everything is transparent, why can't future finance permanent secretaries uphold the same deal and have same powers? Why does Guvamatanga and only him sign on a letter that claims that he is the principal executor? Do mashoko anobuda panapa toko nemacritics ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa this deal aiwa rine fraud yakanyanyisa. These guys they are signing letters aiwa anoburitsa mari dzinoonekwa kunzi aiwa mari idzi dzinenge ingori self enrichment yavari kungoita panguva ino aiwa semapermanent secretaries. Tudze mafungiro enyu mboti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi muchiona aiwa this information aiwa nekuluta kuri kuitiwa mari nethese guys kuchiexposwa pena comment section medu mafungiro enyu. So unsubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.